What are we hearing when it comes to the debt side?
Yeah, Heidi, it seems like a little bit of opportunistic buying is going on from some of the biggest hedge funds, distressed debt specialists in the industry. That's what we're being told by Bloomberg sources here. So among the names that are coming out, well, Oaktree is one of them, unsurprising given it is the world's largest opportunistic debt firm. But then the others that are also in play, Davidson Kempner Capital Management is another name that we're hearing as well. Now, it is not clear whether these companies or firms already had Adani debt prior to the Hindenburg research report that came at the end of January, but we are told that the trading here is active. And there are, of course, a lot of opportunities in this space, and Goldman Sachs highlighted them as well. If you bring up the terminal chart that looks at the moves that we're seeing in bond prices, for instance, there are some notes in the Adani Group that are trading well above that typical level we see for junk debt of around 8%. Goldman Sachs was one of them, saying that these prices have hit a floor here in the short term, and so bonds are looking pretty attractive. Well, it does seem that some investors are now heeding that. You can see there what they see for Adani Green Energy, for instance, yielding around 24%. And this, of course, coming after Adani also said it's going to be prepaying some of its loans. And so that also was a bid to help improve its leverage ratio. So very positive for investors, I guess.
Did Adani stocks also react positively then?
Yeah, we saw this particularly in Adani Enterprises yesterday in the session in Mumbai, which is the flagship for Adani Group. And that stock actually rose as much as 25%. It pared some of those losses to close about 15% higher. But still, you can see those gains there pretty big for that company. And really, as it is the flagship, helping to lower those losses that we're seeing on the market caps are now around the $115 billion mark. But in terms of what else is helping that optimism, well, that's really also coming through in the earnings that are out, because it is a big week for Adani companies. We've got at least eight that are reporting. So Ambuja Cements is one of them. They just reported a profit beat. And then also Adani Green Energy, which is the clean energy arm in Adani. It has said that it's won the backing of investors in recent days. It also did post a profit beat in the last quarter, more than doubling their income to 1.03 billion rupees, Sherry.